I've got my Nano 1 mounted to the original box that they made available for us to 3D print, and you can tighten these screws down enough to where this doesn't slide off or pop off so easily, but I don't want to take the chance of cracking the plastic by tightening those down too much. So I printed up one of these suction cup locks that he has available to download, and the only problem with this was this little extension down here took up too much space underneath the screw, so I just took some sandpaper and sanded it down until it fit under the head of this screw. So I just loosened the screw a little bit, and it's a little hard to get my fingers in there, so I hope you don't get frustrated watching me. And then once you get it in there, you can tighten that screw back down. And really, one of these is all you need because it's not going to slide off. So that holds it in there pretty well. So let me loosen that. But recently I've downloaded the battery box for the Nano 2, and it works for the Nano 1 also. But the battery box for the Nano 2 has these little 3D printed tabs, so you don't have to use a screw. And this works well for that too, probably without any modification. Just pop that in there, and it keeps the Nano from sliding off of the base. I hope I stayed in the camera for that. Now I see that on my Nano 1, there is, when I slide this all the way in, there's a little bit of an overhang, but this box was designed for the Nano 2. So I'm thinking that one of these little locks like this would work also for the Nano 6, and I have my Nano 6 in another location, so I can't try it out, but I think this same concept would work for the Nano 6 to keep it from sliding off of the base.